Hello everyone, myself Rahul Moondra. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I have secured All India rank 48 in CA Intermediate May 2018 exam and have scored 571 marks out of 800 marks with exemptions in 6 subjects. For this achievement, first of all, I would like to thank my parents, my teachers, my friends and my family members. I would like to give special thanks to Excel Academy for your support and for your motivation. Friends, regarding CA Intermediate, I would like to say this thing that we have to do more and more hard work and do smart study so that we can achieve good score and high score in each and every subject and can score a good rank. Regarding Excel Academy, I would like to say this thing that in Excel Academy, doubt solving procedure is best and excellent, and each and every faculty of Excel Academy has the good experience, and as these teachers have the good experience, I would be able to study these subjects properly and in detail. Thank you Vyani sir for taxation, Rakesh sir for costing and FM, and Jay sir for law subject. Friends, regarding study, I would like to refer study material because each and every question of study material is very important. In examination, in exam paper, each and every question will come from only study material. So I would like to suggest study material so that we can achieve high score and we can achieve good score. And second advantage from study material is that we gain confidence and we can also know how the SI has present the answer, and we can also present the answer in examination in proper format so that we cannot lose marks easily. And at last, I would like to thank Excel Academy for your support. Thank you.